Okay, guys, I gave out signals within the Telegram platform on two major assets yesterday, and we're going to see how it turned out today. And of course, guys, I will also use it as an opportunity to explain to you how I generate my signals. So, if you want to improve in your trading activities, then I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you can learn how you can make profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, I gave out two major signals yesterday. I gave it out on GainX 999 and also on FX volume 80. Okay, so let me start with GainX 999. Okay, so I gave out signals on GainX 999. This was the entry point, and of course this is 15-minute time frame actually, so that you will have a better understanding of it. When I noticed that this was an uptrend for a while, for some days, okay, but it came to an end yesterday and it started a downtrend. The downtrend signals was given to us yesterday, but by the time I will be giving out the signals, it has already started. Okay, so I had to allow it to pull back again and wait for the sell signals around there before I'll give dishing out signals. For those that are having this trading tool, they would have started the signals somewhere here. Okay, so that is the benefit of you having a custom made indicator like this. Okay, you would have started the signals right from somewhere here when we had our downtrend signal, and of course we had a sell signal around here. So you should have started from here, and this will have helped you to milk the markets more. Okay, but for those that are not having this trading tool, that are within the Telegram channel, and if they pick this signal, definitely they should have made a lot of profit, because this is the entry point. It achieved the first TP, second TP, third TP. Okay, that's so amazing. All these are on 15 minutes time frame. The only TP that it didn't achieve is the fourth TP. So, and of course, it is still trying. I mean, it's had a major pullback, and we don't know if it will still get to this point. Okay, however, it's out of the four TPs highlighted, three TPs were achieved, and this is so amazing. So this is huge profit for us already, okay, because this is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so that's so amazing. So now let's move on to the next asset. Okay, this is another asset called FX volume 80. As you can see, I am still using the same trading strategy I've been creating awareness for in my videos. Okay, it is still the trend trading strategy. This is another one. This, after getting to the resistance zone at this point, it started a downtrend. You can see I focused on the trend, downtrend. Okay, it started a downtrend. I gave us our entry point. It achieved the first TP, second TP, third TP, fourth TP. It achieved all the TPs. That's so amazing. Also on 15 minutes time frame. And in case you don't know, this particular asset is highly volatile. So definitely it's actually made us a lot of profits. Okay, it's really made us a lot of profit within this period. And remember, this is 15-minute time frame. And for those of you who are having the trading tool, I mean this particular trading tool, I'm very sure you will have taken advantage of this particular changing trend. Okay, you will have taken advantage of it, because this actually got to the last TP which I highlighted yesterday, and which happened to be very close to the support zone. So since it's unable to break out from this support zone, it started an uptrend. You can see it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend and gave us a buy signal. So for those that are having this trading tool, will have gone ahead with the buy signal, and they should be in big profits right now. You can see, even if you follow my highlighted ATP for the downtrend yesterday, this has already achieved about 3 TPs already. Okay, so that's so amazing. And heading towards the fourth one. Okay, so this will have given you a lot of profit already, and this is so amazing. That is the beauty of you learning the trend trading strategy. And of course, it is also a very good one if for those that are having the trading tool, because it makes it very easy for them to identify the trend. When the trend is changing, their entry point and their exit point, all these things are added to this trading tool, and that is why it is very easy for them to analyze the market and of course decide where to go into the market and when to exit the market. It is as easy as that. Okay, congratulations to those on the Telegram channel that have taken this particular trading signals. Okay, and of course congratulations to you all. If you are not on the Telegram channel, I will advise you to join right now. The link is there in the description box, and I will try as much as possible to add it to the comment section, okay, so that you too can also be a part of these trading activities. Okay, remember it is 100% free. Okay, so this is what we have for you guys today. I hope you guys have learned more. Okay, the most important thing is for you to understand the trend trading strategy. You can also generate the signals on your own. You don't need to wait for me. Okay, all you just need to do is just for you to wait. Okay, for instance, if this is getting to the resistance zone, there are two things that can happen from there. It is either there is a breakout above the resistance zone to continue the buy, or probably it's changed from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay, if it changed from an uptrend into a downtrend, then you should plug into it right away and start trading the downtrend. Okay, the same thing is for a buy trend. Okay, once it gets to a major support zone like this, all you just need to do is just to wait for it to see if it will break out below this support zone, or it will change from downtrend into an uptrend. In this situation, it was unable to break out from the support zone, and it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and you just need to follow the buy signal. You can imagine just a single signal from here is still buying till now. Okay, so that's so amazing. If you don't know how to identify your trends, you can make use of trading tools that can help you to identify these. A very good one is the one I'm using on my charts right now. It is called the 3M Trend Milker indicator. However, it is a custom made indicator, so you can reach out to me if you need one. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.